Hi Molly, here's a tutorial to show you how to make a Padlet and share it with your class. So once I've signed into Padlet, I get all these different ways that I can make a Padlet. Notice that you can do a wall, a canvas, a stream, a grid. Here's a map one as well, if that's what you wanted them to do, to create a locations of where they're going on a novel. Okay, so if that's what you want it to do, you could type this novel map. Okay, you could type in your unique code that you're given, because you're going to be sharing that. You could pick the map style as well. So if I want the current one, or maybe I just wanted a regular map like this, okay, I can pick that. Okay. You definitely want to display the author name above each post. You probably don't want to allow viewers to comment on post, but maybe you do. Reactions, you can have the kids decide if they would like to like that, or vote on it, or star, or grade, or none. That's I would definitely require approval. And filter profanity, replace bad words with nice emojis. Okay, and then you're going to click next. Okay, and it says you're all ready to start posting. Okay, and so what you would do is you would actually just go right up here to this link. You're going to copy that URL. You can also go to share. Okay, you can copy the link, you can email it, share on Google Classroom, whatever you'd like. But the easiest way really for your purposes would just be to click on the link, copy it, and put it in your Otis. I think that that is the best way for you to share your Padlet, okay, with others. Now, if you want it to do a blank, like just a wall, I think this is where we often definitely use the wall a lot more. So I could just title this like class wall, and then give a description. Here, you could put an icon in there. You can pick your wallpaper right down here, whatever color. I kind of like this colorful one. Pick any of these, display author name, yes. The position just means that the post will appear first up here when they're like the most recent ones come on. You may not want to do comments, require approval and profanity, and then go to next. Okay, and then we click start posting. Okay, and we just tell the kids to always go to the plus sign. Okay, and it's just like it says my name, and it says feedback, and then I can go right here and say, I loved the book, or whatever you would like, and then I press enter. Okay, and I just click out of it, and then I can actually move this. Oh, maybe I can't. If I want to go back in and edit, I can go here. I can add a picture, add anything else, upload links, voice, place, draw, everything. So that's the short way. So really, and then I would just share this with everybody, the link in Otis, but I would tell the students the directions that you would like them to use for the purpose of the Padlet, but the link will help them to get in there. So that's just a short little tutorial on how to make a Padlet and share it with your students. Have a great day.